Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar Tokyo Hotel. This one is called Home, and it comes from this Netflix series, Kaulitz and Kaulitz. So, this is a summer hit. It has this sparkling shimmer all over it. Uplifting song. Let's take a look at this cool song. And we don't need any cable for this one. We're going clean. The four famous chords. They like each other. So it's A minor, F, C, and G. Let's take a look at the chords, starting with A minor. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That is A minor. Next chord is F. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret and you cover all strings there with your index finger. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E, and the final chord is G. And that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. Alright, so we have the same chord progression through the entire song. We're gonna look at the strumming pattern that I will think will be the best and closest to match up with the sound here. So grab the first chord, A minor, and it's a pretty long one. It goes like this. Okay, so we can start with down, down, clap. Okay, starts pretty easy. Down, down, clap, and then comes down, up, down, clap, down. So down, up, down, clap, down. And that's it. So down, down, clap first. And then comes down, up, down, clap, down. That is one string round. A couple rounds of it goes. Just speed it up just a little bit and play one of these string rounds per chord. You will do that through the entire song and you have it. Tokyo Hotel's Home. It will be like this. Alright guys, good luck with this one, and if you enjoyed it, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Play tuned.